At malawak din pala ang bokabularyo mo sa Tagalog.
Doing great!
I'm boring. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
Kasi I'm sliding. I was sliding my feet. If you walk, it will shake. So, relaxed ako at, sliding my paa on the bamboo.
Whoa. Hello. Wow.
Hindi mahirap. You have to try not to think about it. Kasi first, you have to trust the equipment, and then okay lang. Kasi it's like you're walking on land if you don't think about the height. So, okay lang ako.
Sabi ko sa iyo ang dali lang, hindi ba?
Don't be afraid, Jasmine. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you on the camera?
Takot ako kasi I didn't have anything to grab onto. Just, free falling.
Now I smell like vinegar.
So
good. My God. It was so fast.
Habang busy sa pagchichikahan ng mga girls, isa pang nakakatakyut na pagsubok ang sa kanila ay naghihintay.
Ayan. Oh, it's a little plane.
Dito sa bukid na ginagawa sa puso. Kasi nagbe-breastfeed sila. Ang problema, kapag may lumalabas ng ngipin, nasusugatan yung nanay. So, kailangan putulin yung ngipin. Gamit ang...
Kailangan tanggalin daw namin yung ngipin ng biik because newborn sila at pag, they get milk from their mom, nasasaktan daw yung mommy. So, kailangan tanggalin daw yung ngipin.
Ay, nako! Kawawa naman!
Upang mas lubos niyong maunawaan ng challenge, pinakikilala si Mang Lito.
It's a baby!
Ay! Kawawa naman.
Girls, relax lang. Wala pa nga, hindi na maipinta ang mga fest nyo.
It's just because, like children, I'm not comparing animals to children, but children don't bite back. Children are predictable. Animals are not predictable. And I've had a couple of experiences in my past, like almost getting bit by a dog. And there was one time this parrot, pecked me, and I thought I was going to get rabies and die, and I didn't tell my parents for a long time. So I was just waiting to die.
When it was, iyak yung piglet, kawawa naman kasi ang lakas yung boses, lakas. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to, clip the ngipin. Kasi, it was kawawa naman.
Sina Rufa Gutierrez Bectas.
Mabuhay! Ako po si Charmaine Rufa Gutierrez Bectas. Nandito po ako sa Alae, Batangas, Philippines, representing Extra Challenge!
Donita Rose.
Hey, what's up, everybody? You are watching me, Donita, right here on Extra Challenge Top 20 Songs here in the Bukid. We are down to our #1 song on the chart. And if you don't know it, you should know it by now. Ito ang pinakasikat na kanta dito sa Bukid. At ito ay Para Parang Bukid. Para bukid, bukid, para, wee!
At si Jasmine Trias.
Iba't ibang hamon masasaksihan, mga eksenang pinakaabangan. Anumang pagsubok, di aatrasan, ituloy ang laban. Sa Extra Challenge, ikaw!
Makaya nila ang mga pagsubok na sa kanila ay naghihintay.